we are going to be installing some brand new wheel covers on the Tesla Model Y. These come from EV Base. Now they look a little different. They don't. I have black ones currently on mine now. This is more like a, I would say like a dark gray, like an ash gray. Hopefully you can pick up and see what that looks like. But we're going to get these installed. I'm going to show you how easy it is to put these on. Now, of course, they are available for the Model Y, Model 3, most likely S, and all the other models as well. But we're going to just show you guys what it looks like and how easy it is to install these on the Model Y. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and family. Road to 10,000 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we'll be giving away $200. Without further ado, let's get on into the video. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you wanna take, obviously, your current covers off. I just pulled them right out. Now, my rim is really dirty, as you can see, but hey, it is what it is. I'm just showing you how to install these. We are going to do a deep detail on the car anyway. It's so weird seeing my car like this because I haven't seen what the actual rim looks like since I purchased it. So it's really weird seeing it look like that. But let's get this EV Base one put on. Now, there is something I'm a little worried about because, like I said, this little piece just broke off. So hopefully it doesn't affect installing it, but we shall see. Okay, so we are going to get this thing installed. Now, your previous wheel covers should be fairly easy to remove. You really just pull on them and they pop right off. We got the front wheel installed already, but I just want to show you guys the full breakdown on how it works. So you simply just pull. Can be a little tough to get off, so don't be afraid, but just pull them. Maybe. Man, did they glue them on here? Oh my God. All right, guys, I might have lied. That one's easy. Jesus. I don't want to break it. Good Lord. You do got to give them a little pull. Sometimes it can be tough. Don't be afraid. Yes, shit can hurt. Whoa. All right. That was tough. Now, I do notice that pulling these off, some clips will break, and that's okay. You have to expect that. So we got that one off. Now, when you're putting these on, you want to make sure you match it up with the valve stem on here. And before you punch it in, just make sure that everything is lined up properly. So what I did was I make sure the valve stem is right there. Okay. And I look at each thing, make sure it's right in the right place. Okay. And we should be good. I don't want to break any more clips off, but let's make sure before we get to punching it in. Looks good there. Looks good there. Looks good down there. Okay, now let's see. I like to do the valve stem one first, just because that's the one I want to make sure gets in good. Okay. Looking good. Make sure everything is lined up before you get to punching them in and then punch in. That one. Make sure. Right. And just like that, that's how easy it is to install it. I'm gonna rip our tape off. Boom. Let me know what you guys think. This is what it's gonna look like when it's all done. That's what they look like. If you want to pick you up a set, I have a link in the description box where you can get these, and I will get you a discount code, of course. It will be in the description box, but these look pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Definitely look good, definitely something else than the standard ones that you get with Tesla, but I like these a lot. Very easy to put on. You do have to pull on the old ones if you have some, a little bit, but other than that, not too bad at all. I like the black ones. They're not too bad, but these look kind of good. I like the color as well. Link in the description box. Like I said, if you want to pick these up, subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and family, turn on the notification bell, and I'm out.